everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 11. Now this is mainly for all devices. As you can see, if I open up my task manager, I have at the moment 79 to 70, 63, 55, 50, around there CPU usage. Now the higher it is, the slower your computer will be, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to lower it. First off, to begin, we're going to press on our Windows Start button and write Power Plans. Open that up, and from there, make sure these are all set to Never. From there, change Advanced Power Plans, and make sure turn off hard disk after. This is on 0. From there, go to Power Options, and you will see these. It should be like this, just on balance. You want to go to Show Additional Power Plans and select Ultimate Performance or High Performance. From there, we can close this off. We're going to right click on our taskbar. Next, press on Task Manager. From there, we're going to go to Startup and make sure all of these are disabled. See, I didn't even know this was enabled. I didn't even want this to be enabled. So make sure these are all disabled. And here you can see your last BIOS time. From there, go to Processes. You want to go to Background Processes, turn off things such as high definition audio, turn off apps you're not using. Go down, LG Updater. You don't need the updater, so we're going to turn that off. Now.gg wallet, I don't need any of this. Now the NVIDIA container, I don't suggest touching, but remove the NVIDIA web helper as it is completely useless. From there, what else? Update engine, we can end that. Smart audio and that. Vanguard user and that. After that, close this. You're going to press on this right here and close all the stuff you don't need. So right now I'm using OBS, so I need that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.